up, gentlemen? So today I have some incredibly exciting news. We officially have launched the new Bronze Body Wash. If you guys haven't checked it out before, this stuff is incredible. I'm not saying it's my favorite scent, but this stuff smells like black peppercorn, sort of sweet. It's just a badass body wash. You are absolutely going to love it. The other thing you are going to love to hear is that we are officially relaunching the gold and the silver body wash. The reason is because we went back to the body wash drawing board and reformulated them slightly. We took your feedback that you guys gave us regarding the gold and silver, and we made them more foamy. We also increased the scent a bit. So the fragrance and the foam have been elevated to max bueno capacity. So personally, I feel like every dude should be rocking the body wash as opposed to just a bar of soap. This body wash that we have developed is incredibly hydrating. It's good for your skin. It doesn't dry you out. And now with the updates and the formula changes, guys, you guys are absolutely going to love them the way that I do. And if you guys want to check out the new and improved gold and silver or the bronze or try them all together, we have something called the 3 Amigos set, which comes with all 3 along with the free loofah for an incredible discount and deal. So thank you so much, guys, for the feedback. It truly has made us a better company and a better product. And at the end of the day, this business, these products are for you. And if you need something changed, you just let us know and we will see what we can do. Guys, thank you so much. Check out the 3 Amigos today.